Today, I'll show you how to create a smooth floating animation for any object in DaVinci Resolve using simple keyframes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make an image, graphic, or title gently move up and down, giving your video a subtle, professional touch. First, make sure your object is on the timeline. This could be a logo, a lower third, a text title, or any image or graphic you've imported. Drag it from your media pool onto the timeline and place it on the track where you want the animation to happen. Make sure the clip is selected so Resolve knows that's the one you want to work with. With the clip selected, look over to the right side of the screen and open the inspector. If you don't see it, there should be an inspector button near the upper right corner of the interface. Click that to reveal all the controls for the selected clip. Inside the inspector, find the transform section. This is where you can adjust position, zoom, rotation, and other basic animation settings. Next, move your playhead to the point where you want the animation to start. This could be right at the beginning of the clip or a little bit in, depending on your project. Take a moment to position your object vertically where you want it to begin. You'll do this by adjusting the position Y value in the transform controls. Position Y controls the up and down movement on the screen. Once you've set the starting vertical position, click the small diamond icon next to position Y. This adds a keyframe at that exact time on the timeline. Think of a keyframe as a snapshot of your object's settings at a particular moment. Resolve will use these snapshots to calculate smooth motion between them. Now, move the playhead forward a little in time. You can use the arrow keys, drag the playhead, or just click further along in the timeline. With the new time position selected, slightly change the position Y value. For example, move the object up just a bit so it's higher than where it started. As soon as you change that value, Resolve automatically creates another keyframe. You should see the object shift upward in the viewer. Then move the playhead further along again. This is where you'll create the down movement. Adjust the position Y value in the opposite direction, so the object is now a little lower than the original starting point. You don't need to move it very far. Small changes usually look more natural and less distracting. Again, that adjustment creates another keyframe. Continue this process of moving the playhead forward and making small adjustments to position Y, alternate between slightly up and slightly down. Each new adjustment adds another keyframe, and Resolve connects them with smooth motion.